floor. First room. Very nice. Porch. Kind of little living area. Second room. Very pretty. It has a nice bathroom in here too. Yep. Room number 2 or 3. Nice little bathroom. Little wet bar. Looking at the porch, the front of the house. This is room number 4. Really pretty. Not really bright in here. I've turned some lamps. 2 double beds. Bathroom. Alright, and going up to the 3rd floor.